The 1920s and 60s have been called the golden age of Hollywood. It was a time when the entire movie industry was run by the Big Five studios, a time of glitz, glamour, and bright stars like Marilyn Monroe, Judy Garland, Elizabeth Taylor, Frank Sinatra, and Audrey Hepburn. These are classics, as are the black and white photographs in our collection. Louis Armstrong serenades his wife, Lucille, at the Great Sphinx at Giza, Egypt, 1961. Marilyn Monroe and Sammy Davis Jr. at 20th Century Fox Studios, 1953. The actress was promoting her movie, How to Marry a Millionaire. There were rumors that Marilyn and I were dating. We were friends. Nothing more than that. Marilyn was one of the sweetest creatures in the world, Sammy later recounted. John Travolta with his sisters Ellen and Anne during the theatrical production of the musical Bus Stop, 1976. Audrey Hepburn and Julie Andrews at the Academy Awards, 1964. Andrews did not get the role of Eliza Doolittle in My Fair Lady, which she made up on stage. The role was given to Hepburn. However, it allowed Andrews to play in the movie Mary Poppins and won an Oscar for Best Actress. Audrey is said to have said to Julie that night, "You were supposed to play Eliza, but I didn't have the guts to say no." "We've been friends ever since," Julie recalls. Ashiq Muhammad Ali, then known as Cassius Clay, on a walk in New York City, 1963. Hugh Grant, photographer Gregory Heisler, 1984. He was alone in a booth, sipping coffee, killing time by absent-mindedly tapping his teaspoon, Heisler recalled. It was a moment of truth, of authenticity, sandwiched among not-so-authentic moments. In February 1954, Marilyn Monroe interrupted her honeymoon with her second husband, Joe DiMaggio, to entertain troops in Korea. The actress gave 10 performances for more than 100,000 soldiers. She later described the experience as the best thing that ever happened to me. I had never felt like a star in my heart before. It was so great to look down and see a guy smiling at me. Cary Grant, stylishly dressed, exiting a London hotel, 1946. "My father used to say, 'Let them see you, not the costume. It should be secondary,'" the actor recounted. Diane Keaton and Al Pacino behind the scenes of The Godfather movie, 1972. Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta attend the premiere of Grease at Paramount Studios in Los Angeles, 1978. Elizabeth Taylor and her husband Eddie Fisher at a boxing match, 1960. Thanks for watching. Support the channel by liking and subscribing. See you soon.